We got Jack down here. Jack! What's up, Jack? Jack? We watching the Tigers? What? Tigers are not bad. No, we like LSU. Say go Tigers. Okay, that's not very nice. Well, you're certainly not an Alabama fan, are you? That's right. Say no Alabama. What about Auburn? You like Auburn? What about LSU? Do we like Tigers? You like Tigers? You see watching the Tigers? LSU. Do we like Tigers? Tigers, that's right. Jack, what do you think of Alabama? What do you